My name is David Farrer and I'm working in Pfizer Newbridge for a year and a half now. I joined Pfizer on the Pfizer graduate program, which is a 6-month rotational graduate program whereby as a science graduate I rotate around different departments such as tech services, quality assurance, quality control, operations and supply chain. I came into college in a general science degree at University College Dublin, and then I eventually filtered into medicinal chemistry, which is a course that looks at chemistry and its application to medicine for patients. And then through that I knew I wanted to work for a pharmaceutical company, so I applied for Pfizer at the end of college as a graduate. So my role here in Pfizer is ever changing, so it's very dynamic. I come in and my work is planned, but different things can happen during the day. So a lot of the work we do here in Newbridge is project-based, so we're given projects that we're asked to complete, which will therefore filter down into commercial scale. So working in tech services, you'd be given a project that would be looking at changing a process, and you'd be asked to plan that out. And as a graduate, it was an excellent opportunity for me to branch out and go across different departments while learning about the product at a graduate level. A career in science, technology and engineering and maths would be that it's an ever-changing industry. You're working at the cutting edge of technology. For working in a pharmaceutical company like Pfizer, you have the benefits of working towards the greater good for patients. And also, it's just very interesting, so you're always kept satisfied in your job through the science aspect of it.
Hi, my name is Aoife O'Leary. I am originally from Limerick and I went to Castletroy College. I then went on and did my college degree in the University of Limerick, so I stayed nice and close by. Wasn't sure what I wanted to be, so I kind of kept it a little bit generic and broad, did a load of science subjects trying to keep my options open. But the more I did it, the more I grew to love it, so I stuck with it through college. My role here at Pfizer is a process chemist. I am part of the graduate program as well, which means I am graduated straight from college, so it was a great way to transition from the student life into the professional life. What I needed for the graduate program was my bachelor's degree in science. A lot of the people I work with on site also have maybe masters or PhDs. It varies the qualifications you need, but for what I needed was just bachelor's in science. There's loads of different jobs that you can do on site. You can transition from a process chemist into quality control, into quality assurance, into production or operations. You can do regulatory affairs and work closely with the FDA and different regulatory bodies across the world. There's so much opportunity. You can even go into supply chain or any managerial roles as well. We are really lucky here in Pfizer Ringaskiddy because we're actually a new product introduction site. So what that means is we take products that are coming from research and development across the world, from England, from America, from Singapore, and we launch them on site. We then get the opportunity to develop them, to scale them up into really large scales, and then we transfer them out to other sites across the Pfizer network. So what we do here on site is we actually do a 6-month exchange with Singapore. So you basically get to transfer a product from Ringaskiddy to Singapore and spend 6 months in Singapore as well.